Santa Catalina Island, viewed from the bluffs at San Clemente State Beach Park. There's the motorhome. Hi, Karen! San Onofre Beach, the beach that time forgot. It's not always this empty. October 13th. Rain last night. It's a Tuesday. So right now we're going to go get a few waves. A storm is coming. Maybe a big storm. It's going to wash away a lot of infrastructure. You're looking at a California beach the way it used to be maybe 50 years ago. Wind from the south. There's light on the horizon, but don't be fooled. The storm is coming.
Crows.
The ravens are gathering. See that point of land down there? Up there to the north. That's Pocket Point. Is where President Dick Nixon had his Western White House. It's where those palm trees are that we're looking at. Staring right into the wind. That's the San Onofre nuclear generating plant. Can you see the rest? Sorry. I'm not personally that opposed to nuclear energy, but I hope they're taking better care of that on the inside than they are on the outside. I wonder how many dramas there have been in there that we never ever heard about. I'll tell you what's spooky is if you're out surfing, and they do test the sirens periodically. And if you're out in the water and you hear those sirens go off, it's almost after the fact. Because if they're really having a meltdown and the sirens go off, you're pretty much dead. So everybody just keeps surfing.